Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of the Sculpting Godzilla King of the Monsters series. We have finally reached the end of this journey. In this video, I'll be painting the figure that I sculpted in the other 3 videos. If you haven't seen part 1, 2 and 3, I suggest you go and watch them now, and then come back to watch this one. It was a very challenging project, but I had lots of fun. Now I'm not gonna lie, this was a difficult project, especially now during my difficult times, hence the lack of regular updates of this series. But I can happily say that I am satisfied with the outcome. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I read every single comment and I love reading feedback from you guys. Anyway, as of now, this figure is for sale. You can buy it on eBay. I have left a link in the description down below. I should mention that this is a one-of-a-kind sculpt. It's not my intention to sound arrogant here. What I mean by that is that I'm selling the figure you can see in this video, and it's the only one. I have not made any molds, hence no casts or copies. Being an original figure, it's more valuable than it would be if it had any other copies, and it could be yours. I should also mention that it's a collectible figure, not a toy. It is very fragile and it is not meant to be played with. I'll do my best to get back into sculpting more often, make more figures like this, and get back into making dinosaurs and such. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy this video. See you at the end. This was making Godzilla King of the Monsters. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this series, and I'd love to see your appreciation by clicking the like button, subscribing, and pressing the bell button. I'm going to say bye now because when you gotta go, you gotta go. I will see you in the next video.